Now let's start off with the trends in the modern periodic table. Now a trend is nothing but a change or a development in a specific direction. So let's start off with the valency. The valency is nothing but the number of electrons in the outermost shell. Now if you have looked closely and understood the last topic, you would really know that the number of electrons in the first group, that is the valence electrons, is 1, and the number of valence electrons in the 18th group, which is the last group, is 8. So from this you have understood that the valency increases as you go from left to right. Now the next concept is about the atomic size. Now the atomic size is nothing but the distance from the middle of the nucleus to the last stable electron in the valence shell. Now as you move down the periodic table, you would see that elements have more protons and they gain something that is called as an electron energy shell. So the atom becomes larger. But as you move across a row of the periodic table, there are more protons and electrons, but these electrons are held more closely to the nucleus, so the overall size of the atom would decrease. Now let's talk about the metallic character. Now the metallic character of an element is dependent upon the physical properties. Now if you look at the periodic table carefully, you would understand that most of the periodic table is filled with metals, and these metals have certain properties which include a metallic luster, high electrical and thermal conductivity, ductility, malleability, and some other traits. Now the right hand side of the periodic table contains non-metals, gases, and metalloids. So one thing you can understand from this is that as you move from the left of the periodic table to the right, the metallic character decreases. And as you move from the right to the left, the non-metallic character increases.